Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Miss Mel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Today, we're going to talk about English 5, Quarter 4, Week 1, using verbal and nonverbal cues in a TV broadcast. After going through this lesson, you are expected to use verbal and nonverbal cues in a TV broadcast, infer target audience, and infer purposes of the visual media. Whenever you watch TV for news broadcasts, what do you observe about the presenters or the broadcasters? Do they make you understand the news clearly and effectively? Why? Television. It is one of the most powerful tools in communicating information, especially in news broadcasting. TV news broadcast is considered the most frequent and trusted source of information. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place to another. Examples of communication is one, spoken or verbal communication, like face-to-face, telephone, radio, or television, or media or nonverbal communication, which includes body language, gestures. In a television broadcast, the director should use a series of standards, calls, and set procedures to direct the efforts of the video crew. A consistency in protocol allows the crew to anticipate their responsibilities by following standard operating procedures with clearly defined and universally understood jargon. Verbal cues used in a television broadcast. We have standby, speed up, okay, stretch or slow down, keep talking on time, cue, come closer, go back, 20 seconds, 15 seconds, 4-minute countdown, you are in camera, and cut. Nonverbal cues used in a television broadcast. Standby, speed up, okay, stretch or slow, keep talking, on time, cut, come closer, go back, stop, don't move, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 4-minute countdown, and you're on camera. Learning Task 1. Use the appropriate verbal or nonverbal cues in the following television broadcast situations. Number 1. The director signals the anchor to look at the camera. Answer would be, you are in camera. Number 2. The director wants everybody in set to stand by in 1 minute. The answer would be standby. Number 3. The director signals to stand by in 30 seconds. The answer would be 30 seconds. Number 4. There is remaining time in the set, and the director wants the anchor to talk more and spend the time left. The answer would be keep talking. Number 5. This means over, to cut the show and it is finished. The answer would be cut. Learning task 2. Have you ever watched a game or sports competition aired live on TV? Create a sports script, memorize, and practice delivering it. This is the sample script. Remember, speakers use verbal and nonverbal cues to convey meaning. TV broadcasting is the distribution of video or other messages to a dispersed audience via television. A verbal cue is a prompt that is conveyed in spoken language from one person to another or a group of people. Nonverbal cue includes all the communications between people who do not have a direct verbal translation. They are body movements, body orientations, nuances of voice, facial expressions, details of the dress and choice, and movement of the object that communicate. In TV broadcasting, verbal and nonverbal cues are used. Assessment. Write a dialogue in your notebook about the current community quarantine status in your locality. Choose and use verbal cues below, and then continue the sentence pretending you are a TV news anchor. Make use of and be guided by the given samples below.